Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Certified Digital Tax Accountant Faidan Khalid, and in this video lesson, I'm going to teach you that how you can access Intuit Academy, and you can get free U.S. taxation courses, whether it's personal taxation or whether it's talk about business taxation. Let me open the Intuit Academy, which is totally free. Intuit Academy. As you can see, here is Intuit Academy, which is totally free. There you go. Here is Intuit Academy, so you can get the courses. Let me tell you what courses you can get. You can get all the courses are here. For example, if you want tax courses, there are tax level 1, which is totally free. Tax level tax preparation. It's a 13 practice tax returns, federal tax returns. It's an amazing course, but you have to you have to complete this tax level 1. After getting the badge of tax level 1, you are eligible to get enrolled in tax preparation course. Got it? Okay. The next level is tax level 2, which is the more advanced of federal taxation. Got it? And then again, amazing course, cryptocurrency tax, which is the advanced level. This is intermediate level, this is beginner level, this is beginner tax level, but this is advanced level like cryptocurrency tax. Then another level, advanced level of US taxation, which is equity compensation tax. Got it? And again, the advanced form is business tax. Prepare tax returns for partnerships and S corporations. Got it? So this is totally free. As you can see, the cost is totally free. There is no charges. Understand? Another course is tax planning strategies level 1. They will definitely also issue level 2 courses. Level 2 course after this, maybe next year they will issue or they will come up with level 2 course, tax planning strategies level 1. So there are total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tax courses. Amazing platform. Then you have got Intuit bookkeeping certification. This is the same course which you get in Pro Advisor Academy with QuickBooks, so level 1, level 2. So this is Intuit bookkeeping certification, which is also here, and in Pro Advisor Academy you will also see this course. Then we have got sales courses free of cost, QuickBooks products, QuickBooks sales. We have got 2 courses, QuickBooks sales and QuickBooks products in sales. Understand? Besides this, you can have all other courses as well. Let me show you. These are the short courses, not video courses, but these are the amazing courses like phone etiquette, gain demand people skills, phone etiquette, intro to customer service, customer support, Intuit Academy prosperity principles, handling a difficult customer. In communication you have communication strategies courses, conflict resolution courses. Then in business you have business ethics, business etiquette. And then when we go to organization tab, we have organization skills courses, we have got time management courses. Got it? So this is Intuit Academy, and more courses are coming up on Intuit Academy. So you have to sign up and log in. You have to sign up in order to access these courses. Until then, take a very good care of yourself, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to sign off from here. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.